Jasmine Shin Chikasas from Bitilid 1A. Today, I will gonna explain my own create philosophies, which is Voc Discipuli. Voc Discipuli is a Latin word for means student voice. Okay, um, let me explain the meaning of my philosophy. Okay, this philosophy gives the student to feel free to elaborate their opinions, ideas, thoughts, and also give the student to be comfortable, active participating, and strong interaction with the teacher and her classmate. Okay, let me further explain my philosophy. Okay, voc discipuli, a Latin word for student voice. Why I choose this? Because I choose this because it represents the the importance of a student to be heard, to be shared the thoughts in the classrooms. Okay. Um, this philosophy is student-centered, wherein it fosters an environment where students are encouraged to freely express their opinions, ideas, and thoughts without judgment. Ensuring a comfortable and safe space for all. Nag-ensure yun siya sa student nga dapat free silang mo answer, mo kahatag og opinion, and dapat wala say judgment. As a teacher, dapat mo guide rata, mo facilitate sa student. This approach promotes active involvement in discussion and activities, cultivates meaningful connections among students and with the teacher, and reinforces participation through points or prizes, ultimately celebrating each student's unique perspective and contribution to the learning process. Okay, that's the further explain of my philosophy. And let's now, my philosophy is I can apply this on a classroom or in a class by example by having open-ended discussion like asking a question and giving prizes and points to the student who answer or give their opinions. I will give them a prizes or points to be more motivated to share their ideas or to answer in the front. But when I give points and prizes, it's by week. By week siya, for example. I will tell my student that this week in our class, I will give prizes to those who will answering or share their ideas in front of the class. And in that way, the student will be encouraged, motivated to share their answer and thoughts, and I will act, and as teacher, I will act as a guide and a facilitator. So, maghatag ko ganang mga question. Sila kung pa-answeron, pero ang pag-answer nila sa question is naay prizes. Naa sila prizes and points. Tuan inana nga way kay mas mo confident silang answer or mo motivate silang answer sa tubangan yun na may prizes. So that's my philosophy. Once again, my philosophy is voc discipuli, a Latin word for student voice. This philosophy gives the student to feel free to elaborate their opinions, ideas, thoughts, and also give the student to be comfortable, active participating, and strong interaction with the teacher and her classmate. So thank you. That's all my philosophy. Bye bye.